So I'm looking at refrigerators, and this is cute. $2,000, basically $300. And this is what it looks like. I like this one. I don't like the freezers at the bottom. You like that, Ro? I don't like the freezers at the bottom. But this one, I like this one. But I don't like that it don't have the handles. This is my favorite one though. With the apps and stuff. Oh yeah. Kids will be on this all day though. They got Pandora on there. It's just better than that. Freezer's a little bit small. I mean, wait, we won't put too much. Well, I don't know. I like this, but this is not bad for